you guys like Friends, thumbs this video up just for the sweater.
We're in Austria. So pretty.
Hey guys, it's me Erin, and today I thought I'd do a really fun video. It is a get unready video with me. So instead of focusing on getting ready with me, I'm just going to take you through my nighttime routine. I'm really excited to show you guys because I have never done any videos like this, and this was super highly requested. And if you guys want a everyday makeup routine, this is kind of my like everyday makeup routine. I don't wear any foundation or anything, so it's literally 5 minutes. You guys want that? Comment that down below. I was thinking about doing either a like drugstore version or a Sephora like higher end version, or I could do like half a face of each. Comment that down below if you want that. And let's go right into the video. I don't really do too much as like my nighttime routine, but what I do use is this big pink headband, and I always do this before I do any nighttime routine so I get my hair out of the way. Plop that on here. Very first thing that I always do is I use these makeup wipes. I don't know if you guys know this brand. I get them from Shoppers Drug Mart. They take makeup off really easily. Unfolds like this, and then they always say there's another thing that you're supposed to take off, but I always just keep it on because I feel that keeps more moist. Yeah, that's a really gross word, but you guys know what I mean. And then I just take this wipe and I take off my day's makeup. Luckily, I don't wear mascara, so that saves a lot of time because I don't know if it's just me, but mascara literally takes like 5 hours to take off when I wear it. So, and I just take it on my finger like this, and then I just wipe under my eyes. And then I always kind of rub my eyebrows like this. So now that all my makeup's on, we'll go to the next step. Okay, so now that all my makeup's off, I like to roll up my sleeves. My sink's like over here, but I like to rinse my face off with water, like no products or anything, before I wash my face. The thing about these wipes is they leave like a little film on your face, but I personally don't like this feeling on my face. It's a little like sticky, so I always rinse my face off. Also, as a side note, if you guys aren't into makeup wipes, you guys more of like the liquid makeup remover, another drugstore one that I really love is this Garnier micellar water. It's really good, and it just gets everything off. Just remember, you have to shake it before you apply it onto a pad, and I always do this for eye makeup. Wipe it over my eyes and mascara comes off so much easier than using like a wet wipe and wiping my face. My nighttime routine, I use a Clarisonic, and I have the Radiance Head on it right now, which I really love. It really just gets in there, gets all the makeup off, because there's nothing worse than having like buildup of makeup. And then the cleanser that I use is the Ole Henriksen Face the True Cleansing Gel. I find this one really good. It smells like oranges. I just love the smell of this one. So I would squirt a little bit on, and then I rinse my face. I'll show you guys exactly how much I use. Just let me wet my face first. So now that my face is wet and my Clarisonic is wet, I normally take this and then I put about this much on. So I just do one little circle around my Clarisonic, and then you guys can see that's about how much product I use. And then I just take my finger, I like go in little circles to get it all evenly distributed. So you press this button here, and then it just starts going. And I normally do this over my sink, but I'm not for the sake of this video, so I really hope I don't get things everywhere. I go in little circles like this around my face, and then it beeps, so then I'll know to go up into my forehead. The thing I really like this, it gets rid of like your dry skin. So I get really bad dry patches like in my eyebrows around like the winter time, getting into the springtime. So this is really helpful getting rid of all of that. I would put it on my cheek, and I feel like a monster right now, but this is basically all I do. I have it in my eye, so I have to close one eye. And then once it stops, I know to rinse my face, so I'm just gonna do that real quick. Now that my face is washed, I take one of these spoolies and I just brush through my eyelashes to make sure they're super voluminous still. So here you can see, just getting them voluminous like this, and make sure they don't like clump together. Okay, last step, I normally either do a face mask at this time. I would totally recommend the Glam Glow ones or any of the L'Oreal ones. I just posted a video on Glam Glow, so it's a successor mask. You guys can check that out over here, or they'll be in the cards above, and I'll also have it in the description box below so if you guys can access it on any kind of device. And yeah, so I'm just gonna skip showing you guys that step because I have a whole video on it. You could just do a Glam Glow mask, which I normally personally do, not every day, no, like once a week maybe. And then at the end, I'll finish it off with a moisturizer. So my camera just died, so I don't know how much of the stuff before was recorded, so I'm just going to start over with the moisturizers. But I did just finish a face mask. I actually mixed the pink and the purple Glam Glow My Little Pony mask, and that was all over my face. I might put a clip from my vlog over here somewhere. Just for fun, I did a purple half on this side and a pink half on this side, just to show you guys the difference. It really isn't too big of a difference. If you're thinking about buying like just like one or the other, you can't pick between the two colors. They're basically the same, so you don't really need to get both. The final thing that I like to do is moisturize. A really good drugstore option is this Olay Sensitive Skin Moisturizer. I really like this one, mostly because it is very affordable. I think I get it for like $9.99 at Walmart, which is very affordable, plus it's a pretty big tube. But a higher end one that I really like as well is the Ole Henriksen Sheer Transformation Perfecting Moisturizer. It looks like this. Obviously, this is the mini version, but they are bigger versions as well. I recommend taking it, and instead of shoving your finger in the pod, you can always put a Q-tip instead, dip it in, and then I like to put it and focus it on the areas that I have the most dry skin, because I find that if I'm going to use a more expensive moisturizer, I should focus on like problem areas. So I have really bad patchy dry skin spots there and over here, so I like to put that all on my forehead. And what's really good about that moisturizer is that it just feels like water on your skin. It's so smooth, and none of it feels like there's any like residue on your skin. But again, another option is to use this, and I like the squeeze bottle. They do have it in like a tub like the Ole Henriksen, but I find just like hygiene reasons, like it being better using this. And sometimes I even double moisturize, because a girl can never have too much moisture to her skin. And a thing that most people don't know, they might be like, oh, I have oily skin, I can't moisturize. That is not right. Just know that your skin may create oils because it doesn't have enough moisture in it, so it tries to like compensate for that. So if you actually moisturize your skin more, you might actually end up with less oily skin. I know, it's kind of weird, but whatever's left over, I just put on my hands because it's like moisturizer, so it doesn't really matter. And I'm ready for bed. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and give me a big old like right over there. All my social media will be linked right here, so make sure you guys check that out. I am vlogging again. If you guys want to check out my weekly vlogs, they'll be in the description box below. I have a vlog channel, Flavor Hair 22 Vlogs. You guys check it out. I'm having lots and lots of fun vlogging this summer, so stay tuned for that. And Flavor Hair Fridays are back, so new videos every Friday. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys have any suggestions for future videos, comment that down below, or you guys can tweet me at FlavorHair22, and I will see you guys next Friday. Bye!